Hello everyone, in this video we're going to do some deep front end and back end wheel cleaning of my 4 winter wheels. First let's get one wheel and roll it towards the wheel stand, and let's look a little bit more closely. So tar deposits, brake dust, more tar deposits. This is maybe some glue rests where used to be some wheel lead here for balancing, more tar deposits, and a lot of brake dust. Often on many wheels we see 2 types of oxidation. One is brake dust and the other are tar deposits and or asphalt splatter. The brake dust I'm going to work with decon, V4 Wheelcleaner and the Deironizer. And for the tar deposits and the asphalt splatter I'm going to work with the orange degreaser, 1 to 5 diluted. I'm going to do it after each other. So first I'm going to focus on brake dust, then I'm going to focus on tar deposits and asphalt splatter. So let's go to work. First I'm going to spray in the decon V4. So then I'm going to take an exterior wheel detailing brush for the inside of the spokes. So I'm going to first focus on the hard to reach areas. And in the meantime the V4 can cure. You can actually already see here on the center of the wheel that it's coloring purple. So that means that the V4 is curing with metal particles, so brake dust on there. And the only thing we have to do is agitate it with a brush, like this, to lose it from the surface. So let me rinse out my bucket here over the mid slide and then focus on the other deep parts here between the spokes, as well as here on this dark anthracite wheel. You don't see the brake dust so good, but it's definitely losing. So for the larger surfaces I'm going to take my all exterior wheel brush. You see the purple splatters that's falling on the ground. While I'm at it I'm going to focus on the tire edge as well and start agitating. I'm going to rinse out my brush and do it another time because it's very dirty, as you can see. So cleaning your winter wheels sounds maybe a little bit unfamiliar while it's just getting spring. But cleaning your wheels thoroughly and then laying them away, make sure they're squeaky clean again when you need to change the wheels or the tires again for the next winter. So that was the brake dust part. This was a clean towel and only, let's say, 2 or 3 stains from some brake dust leftovers. The rest is all being cleaned with the V4 wheel cleaner and with some agitating with the brushes. So now let's focus on the tar deposits and the asphalt splatter. Actually the V4 seems to be a little bit too good. Also this one we leave to cure for 30 to 60 seconds. For that I'm going to use the wheel wedge, but I'm only going to use the mesh side, which is a little bit, rougher than the microfiber side here. But with that I can scrub deposits quite easily. Just agitate it and with that loosen those stubborn. So now I'm going to focus on some glue leftovers. So decon glue and label remover, the name already says it all. Spray it on the part where you want to release the glue and let it cure for as well 30 to 60 seconds. Here I've got a martyr grip, and between the grip I've got these decon plastic scrapers and it squeezes itself between this shape. Focus on getting away those glue rests. Procedure on the front end. Spray on the decon V4, let it cure for, let's say, 60 seconds. I think here we can get a good effect on how it will discolor. So after curing, it's time to agitate with a detailing brush. So after rinsing, we just dry everything with a microfiber towel. In this case, we've got to get a green Workhorse exterior towels. You can actually see it's wet, but it's still clean. So that means that we did a thorough and a proper cleaning. So last tip, because you should want to make sure that your wheel's getting back in place from the position where it was. So I'm gonna write here on the marker LV, which means in Dutch left front. So I know easy peasy around October, November, when I have to exchange them again, which wheel belongs to which position. Let's do the other three in steroid mode. So let's see what comes out of our rinsing bucket. That was one winter for my daily driver. Let's see, by the way, the residue that's inside of the bucket. So there we have 4 clean wheels again, deep cleaned wheels inside and outside. The Decon V4 wheel cleaner and the Deironizer. On the brake dust, we used the Decon orange cleaner and the greaser concentrate 1 to 5 diluted. On the tire deposits and the asphalt splatter, we used the Decon glue and label remover, some ugly glue deposits that we removed with that. A couple of Decon detailing brushes, of course the wheel stand and some elbow grease. And I hope with this video to make your wheel cleaning process go a little bit better, more efficient and more comfortable. For more wheel detailing content, click on the pop-up banner for a video on wheel protection. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.